Alright, in this class you'll be learning how to design a business card. In this series of stationery designs, you'll be learning how to design a business card. You'll learn how to design an ID card, an official ID card. You'll also learn how to design letterhead. And also, you'll be learning how to design envelopes and everything that has to do with corporate stationery. So this is the first video on this series of stationery design or corporate branding materials. Let's get started. The software I'm using is CorelDRAW. Like I said, you can use any software of your choice. You can use your Photoshop, you can use your InDesign, you can use your CorelDRAW. First of all, the correct measurement for a business card layout is 3.6 inches by 2.3 inches. So this is the measurement of this printable page, this white space you're seeing here. This square, this rectangle you're seeing here, this is the correct measurement, because after printing you're going to be die cutting. So the correct measurement is 3.6 inches by 2.3 inches. That being said, I'll be using a random logo for designing this business card. We're not going to be going into creating a logo first, but you can get the course on how to design logos. That's logo design from this platform also. But in this class, I'll be making use of this random logo. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, I'm designing a business card that has both back and front layout. This is my logo and the business name. So I will allow this to come to the front. Let me duplicate this because I'm going to be designing the back too. So it's having a front and a back layers. So this should come to the center. This should come to the center. Sorry about it. Right. If you're making use of a color, to make use of a color for your business card. The front layer is actually done, unless there is something else you want to put on it. But for me, what actually appears at the front layer of a business card is just the logo and the business name. It's that simple. So let's get to the back layer. What I will do is I'm going to pick this lemon color with my eyedropper tool and make this back the green color or lemon. Alright, so what comes at the back layer is the name of the business card owner or the business card holder, then the position, then the address and the contacts of this business. So I'll be using dummy information. So let's say the person's name is Stanley Stanley turn the door around. Now the size of this text is actually nothing bigger than 10 points, the size of the name of the ID card holder. Every other information that will be coming here, the address, the phone number, the holder's position, they are always 7 points. You get, they are 7 points. So that you will design text that are bigger than your layer when you are printing out. So have it at the back of your mind that this font, either you use 10 or you use 9, and let me get information from this place. This should be 7. Every other information should be 7. 7 points. Let's say this person is the executive director. Stroke managing director. Okay, this shouldn't be bigger than 7. Okay. Or you can use one position, that of executive director. Can either be here or here, whichever place you intend putting it. So 7 points. You see the address is okay. That you can add your, sorry about this, you can add your contacts. And if your business is having social media handles, you can add. Maybe you want to show all the colors in your bright color. You can do something like this. And if you decide to bring this to the back, it's cool. And make sure it's not somewhere where you're cutting it out. Somewhere it can be seen. So you have so alright, I think our business card is set. Business card is set. Well, so we export. We are going to be placing this on a mockup later. All right. So this is how simple minimalist business card should appear. You can see it's simple and it's minimal. Very simple. You don't have to break your back over it. You can see how simple this appears. So thank you for watching this. If you want to see how this looks in a mockup, get the course, the video course on how to place files on the mockup. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next class.